Welcome, beautiful people. Today I have a practice that will help you get rid of the lower back pain or sciatica. We will work with releasing tensions from the lower back, hips and legs. This practice is not about pushing or stretching too far. It's about listening and honoring our body, that we can move with greater ease and with less pain. And we will start with a gentle shoulder rotation. We breathe in, shoulders come up and go back. And we move to the head rotation, swinging from one side to the other side, very gently, calmly, and with your own rhythm. And when the head comes to the front, we breathe out. When the head goes to the back, we breathe in. Now come to the center, and we are rotating the head to the side with the stretch of the neck. And again, find the rhythm that is comfortable for you and do it as much as you can, but not overdoing it. Very gently with the neck here. Now we're extending our arms over the head, and we are rotating the wrists and giving ourselves a good stretch here. And if it's possible for you, then put your hand to the back and push your chest forward and head tilted back. And one step further is to push your hips up from the ground, giving it a nice stretch here, opening our chest fully to the sky here. Very good. And now we're going to lie down with our stomach flat on the ground. And you can place your head on your hands and just rest here. We are moving to one side. We're stretching the arm underneath our head, and we're taking the leg that is on the top, and we're extending it forward, and we're extending it as high up as possible. This allows our spine and our lower back to be released from tension. It gives a beautiful opening to our lower back. Now we're extending this area, giving it space to breathe and to be. Breathe deeply here as we are breathing this tension out from the body. Now we're going to the other side, and make sure you're keeping the knee as high as possible. Bring your awareness to the area of your body that feels tense or sore. You don't need to fight it, just notice it with kindness. Place your hand there if it feels right and breathe into that space. With every inhale, imagine warm golden light flowing into that area, softening, soothing, and healing from within. With every exhale, imagine the pain, stress, or heaviness melting away, drifting out of your body, out of your mind. Let this light expand, filling your whole body with calm, comfort, and peace. Very good. Now we are going on the flat to the stomach again. We are placing the hands underneath our forehead and we're starting to lift our legs one by one, as high as possible, but not overextending. Very good. Now we are locking the arms behind our back. And we are pushing the chest upwards. And we're breathing deep here. Very good. Now come to the Sphinx pose. Elbows are on the ground. And from this pose, we are slightly lifting our legs again. And now come lying flat and rest here. Very good. Now we're going to all fours and we go to the stretch. We go to the cat and cow stretch. We breathe in into the stretch. Our chest is lifted, chin is lifted, and we breathe out. And slow movement here. Very good. Now we go to the sitting pose. Our legs are extended forward, and with our hands we are rotating the body on one side and to the other side as far back as it's possible for us to reach. And breathe deep here. This is a very good movement to release the lower back pain, and see if it's possible for you with each breath to go a little deeper into the stretch. And these exercises are necessary to do daily when you're having problems with back or sciatica or any kind of tension in the back area. And now reach to the toes and give yourself a stretch here. And deep breaths, imagining energy coming from your feet up to your legs, up to your lower back, up to the spine, up to the head, through the hands, and reaching back to your feet. So we're creating this energy circle here. And through the breath, this energy starts to move. All the stuck energy, all the tension, we're just unleashing everything. And more powerful the breath, more we are releasing any pain and tension. Very good. Now we're coming to the rock pose, but this time we are opening the legs. If you can, sit on the ankles, giving your hips and pelvis area a good stretch here, grounding us to the earth. And if you're ready, come sit on the legs, fully on the rock pose. And we're doing the spinal flexes, back and forth. When we come to the front, we breathe in. And go to the back, we breathe out. Come back to easy pose. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this.